Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video and I hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to be preparing for a big move at the end of the month. So this is day one of my moving chronicles. I'm gonna be picking some of my stuff and putting them into boxes, and then I also have to fix up the place because I drilled some holes into the walls, so I have to fix that up and paint over the walls. And then I also have to get a moving company to move my things. I think Cape Town has been good. I was here for a short while I was finalizing my masters at UCT, so now I'm finally heading back to Johannesburg. So hope you guys like and enjoy the video, and please subscribe as well. Cheers.
If it's love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the Renault Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and listen twice. They told me that less is simple. I'm observing in the room, I be flying all on the wall. Open mouth conversations, I leave you all in some awe. Cutting through the noise, I'm hoping I leave a scar. If you don't know where you been, how you knowing where you are?
Just cruising tonight, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move in your
Some threw off the time, check my notifications. It wasn't love we was prepping for, but was something adjacent. I can't be wasting lines. I'm meant for something to say in a time where everything vague and the in-between is not what it made out to seem. Everything is intention, but still I tend to do it wrong. Can you fault me for wanting you? Was you let alone? Both hurt, but I wasn't taunting you. I just thought it ought to be what I was supposed to do, else I wasn't approaching you. I put my heart on your sleeve, wore like a brooch to you, and all in all the outcome would be what it would be. You took a chance, I took the lead. We shook as sheets, advanced and did the deed. Don't blame it on me, we grown, it's a natural thing.
Cruising tonight, I'm grooving it. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move in your flow.
This is day 3 of my moving chronicles. The place is a mess right now, but yeah, I'll show you guys. I've also just been getting some assistance. Let me just switch the camera. How do you use this thing? No, not that. Okay. Yes, guys, it's a mess. Like, so after like I painted, yeah, I had to like pack some of the stuff as well. So like you can see, I've wrapped a lot of the stuff, like cable ties as well on some of the containers. Yeah, the TV in the box. I also had to like buy some boxes as well. So it's like, yeah, it's a mess. So I'm basically just using this room as like my storage. Yeah.
Needed this world. You're everything I wanted more. Those feelings, they got me. You moving that body. I gotta let you know. Yeah. Forever be with me, my heaven, eternity. Never gonna let you go.
We're making some good progress. This is one of those messy vlogs. Now I'm just going to put the traveling bolts into the machine so that the drum doesn't move when the machine is being transported, and then yeah, pack the remaining stuff as well. I think now it's like 10 to 10, so yeah, time is moving because the moving company is gonna come in tomorrow around 9, 9:30, so everything has to be wrapped up and ready for them by that time. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna sleep now.
When I'm with you, girl, listen, everything feels right. Everything you wanted and more. I wanna hold you close, baby, tell you that you're my only need in this world. Everything you wanted and more.
Yeah.
Hey. In grease testing the breach. Spending breach that I made, putting pens to the sheets. Took a week to retreat from defending the breach. Cause living better, doing more to only ending the beef. I need some time to reflect on the heat. And all the paybacks that you know I kept my receipts. I bet on a team, let the work show what it means. When you charge it up and turn into a fucking machine. I get the Green Bay J-Love and split it with my day one. Stay away from all you old pussies calling May Young. And that's not for the woman. Half these dudes act like bitches. See me flipping with the digits, now they turn into a gymnast. It's not how you thought it would go, is it? Jalen with the pivot, how they get lost in the rhythm. Y'all was shitting on the way that I'm living, but I forgive them. Seek revenge with how I'm killing. Hey, bounce with me if you made it back from out the shadow. Moving forward, baby steps, cause in my back's 1,000 arrows. I'm still a work in progress, filled with liquor and tobacco. Trying to rid all of my demons on this road that's pretty narrow. So I just vent my sorrows out to drums and chop pianos. Always keep one in the chamber, so I'm never low on ammo. Yo, let me get into it. Every war got different battles, so I'm always staying ready for whatever on my travels. I done faced too many demons, I don't feel nothing. I was low and I was sinking, but I'm still coming. I was up late asking when the deal coming. I've been holding it together, but the wheels coming off, so I swerve and I try not to kill nothing. I've been trying to be an idol for my little cousins. I was trying to keep it popping when the pills wasn't hitting like they used to. I'm just trying to feel something. I see my man's brother die and they cutting me deep. Cause his fam, like my fam, they accompanied me when I was dealing with my own loss, drowning in grief. Like his pops became a
Some of
figure
my
that was
items. There's the truck. Yeah, the truck couldn't enter because the garage is small. So, yeah. But they've got another guy with the trolley here. Just there. Yeah, moving of the items down here.
Lost your connection to anything higher, but I promise it get brighter. Cause I seen it for myself getting chewed up through the wire. But that's why I think my mission statement now is to provide for the ones I truly love, feeling down and deprived. But the story isn't over. Lean on me when you're weak. Do the same when you back. Live with love, rest in peace. Bounce with me if you made it back from out the shadow. Moving forward, baby steps, cause in my back's 1,000 arrows. I'm still a work in progress, filled with liquor and tobacco. Trying to rid all of my demons on this road that's pretty narrow. So I just vent my sorrows out to drums and chop pianos. Always keep one in the chamber, so I'm never low on ammo. Yo, let me get into it. Every war got different battles, so I'm always staying ready for whatever on my travels. Yeah.
31. Now the party's done. Get off the floor. Time to go home. Or you can stay the night. I know where we've been, yeah. But baby, that was then. Who knows where this goes? I'm scared of this ghost. Oh, don't assume I don't, just because I won't fall in.